Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the power 3 for the both sides to cancel about the root. Next, because we still have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to do first derivative of this one. First derivative of u to the power of 3, we have 3u squared du. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we have number 2 in here. First derivative of number 1. This is about the constant. So first derivative of the constant. You got about 0 in here. And we have the s. Because we don't have number 2 in here. So we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. 3/2 we put outside. U squared divided by u, you got about u. Now, we need to expand this one. And we will have about u to the power of 9 minus 3u to the power of 6 plus 3u to the power of 3 minus number 1. 2 to the power of 3, you got about 8. So number 8 and number 2, you got about 16. So we put this one go in here. So u multiplied by u to the power of 9, number 6, number 3, and number 1. And now we can apply the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. This is about the constant. Now we can apply the formula for this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now we have the final answer. Number 10, you got about 11. Number 7, you got about 8. Number 4, you got about 5. About u, that's about number 1, so we have number 2. And then we put about c, that's about the constant. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.